Hey, good morning and welcome back everyone. This is Rooney Lin and today is the first day of February. Now after a long and during January, today is on Sunday and I'm here to create another educational recording video on brilliant.org. And today we're still continuing with programming in CS, speak the language of computers with this programming with functions, something I haven't made this recording chapter for months now. So I think it's time to force it back and I'll click on this tab, shall we? So just click on it. Oh yes, this is like kind of level review, but something I haven't reminded you, like kind of introduction to functions. I haven't do some like a very long recap, but it's time to continue with this level review, practice questions again and again, how much I can focus and can answer these questions as follows. So I think it's time to take myself a test, isn't it? So I'll click the start button to begin. Right, there it is. This is question number 1. Complete the program. Make the program change dark low value pixels to gray and light high value pixels to white. Low value if pixel less than 128. So it should be this. Else high value to white means this. Right, let's check it again. Yes, that is truly correct. Let's click on white for reasoning. That's right, line 2 checks if the pixel value is less than 128. If pixel under 128 is gray. Line 3 sets it 180. If not, line 5 will set to 255 being white. Simple test question that I haven't recapped but can simply answer straight away. Continue to the next one. Right, this is question number 2. Filter the image. Increase low pixels by 50 and decrease high pixels by 30. So low pixels by 50, less than 60, increase by 50, else if the other one, it should be here. And then pixel will change to here, like this. Let's check, shall we? Oh yes, correct again. Let's click on Y once more. For pixel values below 60 in line 2, line 3 will increase down by 50, plus 50 is applied. However, values above 200, else if in line 4, line 5 simply decrease down by 30. So minus 30 has been changed, has been modified. Another simple adjustments to pixel value color change in terms of its tone by itself. Anyway, continue to the next. This is question number 3. Analyze the program. What's the value of pixel once the program finishes running? Oh yeah, this is 100 gray white pixel. It's less than 100, so 180. Simple one, isn't it? Let's check. That's correct. Now why? Program first creates the pixel variable, sets it to exactly 100 as displayed in line 1. Next, it passes that pixel with value 100 gray white function line 2 right side of here. Pixel 100 number is applied. After that, gray white function receives input as of 100 in line 4. Since the value is less than 128, it returns 180 as in line 6 as discovered. So the function outputs 180 exactly, yeah? Then gets stored in the new value of pixel line 2 left side of 2. So 180 is the correct answer. Sorry for my mispronunciation and just forgive that. Continue. Now this is question number 4. Analyze the program. What's the value of pixel once the program finishes running? Again, I think similar problem applies. 140, but not this one, so this one must return. Let's check. That is correct. Let's click on Y. The program initially creates the pixel variable, sets it to exactly 140 in line 1, then inputs pixel with value 140 to the black-white function line 2 right side of equal sign. Yeah. After that, black-white function receives the input value 140 showing line 4. It checks if the value is less than 128 in line 5. Since this is false, this statement was applied, returns 255 in line 8. Not this one, so this one. One of the two only. Therefore, the function outputs 255 gets stored as the new value of pixel as in line 2, so 255 is therefore the correct answer as selected with a green tick. Alright, simple problem, isn't it? Anyway, continue. Now this is question number 5. Oh, diagnose the problem. What's wrong with this gray-white function? Wait, less than 180. Oh yes, opposite. Doesn't return a value for 128 or above. So that execution is missing probably. Let's check. That's correct. Why again? If value is greater than or equal to 128, line 3 will definitely not execute and function therefore won't return a value. Oh yeah, simple explanation. Only outputted less than 128 but not greater than or equal to it. So like one statement is missing, so it will not execute properly with the given instructions if it's insufficient. So continue anyway. This is question number 6. Fix the gray-white function. Make the function return white 255 for values 128 or above. Let's scroll it down. Yes, less than 128, so 180. Greater than, so yes, it should be return 255, isn't it? Alright, that's the question. Alright, need to scroll it up a little bit. Anyway, let's check to compare. Yep, that's correct. Let's click Y again. Line 7 now returns 255 whenever value is greater than or equal to 128. So the function returns a value for all possible inputs. Less than or 0, greater than 255. Execution is sufficient and complete. Right? It should be running like this. 2 comparisons as usual. Anyway, continue. This is now question number 7. Diagnose the problem. What's wrong with this black, gray, white function? Less than 85, 0, value. Oh yeah, only this is returned, not this one. Does not actually return a value in some cases. This one should be correct, I assume. Let's check. Of course, it's correct. Why not? Let's click on it. In the last 2 branches of the conditional statement, lines 5 and 7, this function specifies a value, however doesn't return it because return variable is missing in both cases. Like these execution errors, you better watch out for it next time whenever any variables might be missing in this case or not. Anyway, continue. This is question number 8, I assume. Fix the black, gray, white function. It should return a value in every branch of the conditional statement. Yeah. 60, 120, 180, less than 85, so 0. Less than 125, so return 128. Else return 255. It should execute correctly now, don't you think? Let's check. Oh yes, the execution now correctly works and I've got this. But anyway, let's click on Y. Lines 5 and 7 have been modified to actually return the specified values with return option present. Now the function returns a value in all cases. So each of the, need to close. Each of the inputs with divide output 60 to black, 120 to gray, 180 to white. So 3 different tones have been correctly applied in this case now. Anyway, continue. Just a few more questions left to go. This is question number 9. Filter the image. Apply the black, gray, white function to every pixel. Let us scroll it down. There it is. For pixel and image, pixel equals, yes, pixel diff1. Bracket should be here. Black, gray, white. Define, then these similar conditions would apply. Simple problem, but let's check to compare it. Uh-oh. Oh my god. What the hell I've done wrong? Oh yeah. These two are in the wrong side. Black, gray, white should be here, then pixel should be opposite way. Sorry that my bad luck. Single error, but doesn't matter though. Oh yeah, black, gray, white, bracket, pixel. Program loops through every pixel in the image. As it loops, it changes the value of every pixel to the output of the black, gray, white function. Oh yes, black, gray, white pixel in the wrong order, so it should be bracket. Oh yeah, black, gray, white, bracket, pixel. Same as this definition in line 3. I put the wrong way around, but never mind. Continue. This is question number 10. Okay, I need to read more carefully. Analyze the program. What's the value of pixel once the program finishes running? Pixel is 255. Invert pixel. Brighten pixel. Define invert value. So 255 minus value. Oh wait. Inverted, so 0. Brighten show plus minus value. That one a little hard to consider. Wait. 0. Brighten pixel. Return 255 minus values. 0. 0 plus 20 is not greater than, so this one. So it should be 20. Must be correct here. Let's check. Oh yes, this is correct now. Let's click on Y. Program initially creates pixel variable, sets it to 255, showing line 1. Then it inputs pixel with value 255 to invert function. Invert means 255 minus that value, so 0, line 6, new value of pixel in line 2. Then outputs pixel, value 0, brighten function is at 20, line 11, new value of pixel is in line 3. Yeah, so 0 plus 20 is not greater than 255, so return value 0 plus 20 equals 20. Yes, this sounds likely correct. Continue, I think we're almost there. This is question number 10, I assume. Analyze the program. What's the value of pixel once the program finishes running? Oh wait, it must be question 11, I think. Sorry for my misconception. Pixel is 5. Invert pixel. Invert, so 250. Darkens. 250 minus 20 is 230. Right, 230, not less than 0. So that value should be returned. Let's check. Yup, that's correct. Again, let's click on Y, shall we? Program initially creates the pixel variable, sets this to exactly 5 in line 1. Then it puts pixel value 5. Invert function means 255, take away that 5 equals 250, as in line 9. New value of pixel as in line 2. Inputs pixel again, 250, darken function, take away 20, 230. It's not less than 0, so not return 0, but 250 minus 20 equals 30. New value of pixel in line 3. That's the correct output, isn't it? Probably one last question to encounter. Let's click on continue. Final question number 12. Right. Well, let's scroll down. Analyze the program. What's the value of pixel once the program finishes running? Right, 140. Darken value. Minus 20. 120 is not less than 0. 120. 120. 120. No. This one should as well less than 0. So Fine, it should be 0. Let's check. That's correct. Okay, luckily. Let's click on why, shall we? Yes, program initially creates the pixel variable, sets this to 140 as shown in line 1. Inputs pixel 140, darken function. 140 take away 20, so 120 new value of pixel, not 0, but take away 20, that value. Finally, pixel 120, one of these, less than 128 or greater than itself. But yes, less than 128, so exactly returns 0. So become the new value of pixel on line 3 with this line 12 executed, and line 3 is the final variable. Alright, that's the way how I perform this level review of this Brilliant.org course. Level review of every programming with functions from like question 1 to 12. Lots I've encountered, I got all but 1 right, so that shouldn't be a problem if I keep progressing with this same level review and other course practicing, right? So I'll click on this finish tab to conclude this session right now. Yes, level complete. As a result of this level review completion, I've gained, you see, 175 XP this time round. Continue. Boom. Yes, streak successfully extended to 9, which means after today, completion on Sunday, to the 9-day streak in a row has been applied with this Brilliant.org lightning bolt symbol as usual, which I was generally surprised of. Yeah, isn't it? Anyway, continue. No. Premium users have 20 times longer streaks. Yes, already explained that. I'm not going to repeat that explanation anymore, so remind me later. That's right, programming with functions. So I need to scroll this up, and level review of introduction to functions has been completed. But next step is level 2, coding with tuples. But I'm not going to focus that for a moment because there are a lot of theories to handle or explain it to you. Like, I'm not going to upset you, like I'm not continuing this at the moment, but let's click on this home tab. Yes, as you see on the home tab again, don't worry about this reasonable logic, not focusing this at the moment. 9-day streak with streak charge in these 2 batteries, complete on Sunday. And here, Tungsten League is currently where I'm settling. Top 5 advanced to next league. 16 hours left to go, so like very competitive league to step yourself if you win promotion to the next league. If I click on this tab to expand, yes, top 5, I'm currently in first place after this exercise, but not going to be the decider yet. Top 5 advancing to next league. Like as you scroll all the way down, yes, returning to previous league is bottom 5, 26 to 30. Return to previous league, probably here. And scrolling up, top 5 promotion to next league is something unknown here. So yeah, Brilliant.org, how this competitively works, especially multiple players and students competing courses for going level up or down. That's very competitive but also interesting scenario to explain to you. Anyway, that's it all for this today's educational recording video that I've created to you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you do enjoy watching this, don't forget to leave a like as always and subscribe to my YouTube channel called Runilin and related other contents created like from gaming videos, gym workout videos, and many others as well. So why not visit my channel and don't miss out. Why not visit my channel and stay tuned for other videos that I might be ensuring to create these similar contents in the future. Oh, I also have a notification. My next semester 2 exactly starts tomorrow on Monday, so sorry that this is probably my last recording just before the semester begins. Like, I'm not going to do these recordings very frequently. Had to switch to my main university courses that is very importantly increasingly important right now. So I might probably tell you later about this, as well as Tungsten League tomorrow, which position I might be standing in the end. That's what I'm going to update to you later, guys. Right? So just stay tuned for that. I'll still make Brilliant.org recordings in the future, but not too frequently anymore. Anyway, that's it, guys, today. I'll see you in the next video, guys, by the way. Cheers. Bye.